There. So when you press and hold it, and let go. Right, we'll be. Let me just do a bit and then you can, yeah?
Because I'm short.
Max altitude reached.
Wow, what?
Well, I've set it to 40, you can change it. Oh, where is it? I can't actually see it.
There. I see us.
So you got to keep an eye on your altitude and how far away you are.
Like movement. There.
So bring it back towards us. Oh, there, I can see it.
Oh, yeah.
And that's, oh, there we are, you see us. But it's looking straight at us. Shall we try some of the quick shots? Now, you press the little thing above red.
That.
Yeah. And then you want video, no, you want quick shot below. And you want droney. So, and then you draw a box around what you want it to do. Like that. And then, oh, distance at the bottom, let's put it to
40, 50, yeah, 80.
80. And then press start.
Where? Oh, there.
So look at the camera, it's going to get a countdown in a minute.
Right.
It's going to basically reverse away from us.
3, 2, 1.
It keeps looking at us.
Does it go fast?
I'm checking that tree, it's not going to hit that tree now, I don't think it's alright.
40 meters.
Right, a minute, I'll just... Right, it was just a bit close to that tree. You see that tree there?
Yeah.
Shit, RC signal lost. No, it's not, right. Weak signal. It's because I'm not looking towards it, I think. Shit, there's no signal. Right, let's bring it back. Because if you lose signal...
Crap.
Well, what are you doing? 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 Right, bring it down a bit because it's all over the place. What are you doing? Right, okay, right, that's fine, yeah. So bring it towards us. Yeah. Can you see the map?
Yeah.
Right, yeah. Yeah, I think you're back there. Right, stop. Right, it's moving. Right, down. Just keep pressing down. It'll go slower as it gets. There we go.